Hi guys, Gabriel's on air. So you're watching the Luke Digital Signage channel. Welcome. The modern reality is that using the mobile gadgets for an average of 40 hours a week, people are accustomed to getting information by tapping, swiping, in other words, using touchscreens. And of course, this fact definitely affects modern retail, forcing it to transform and introduce new tools such as, for example, touch monitors at points of sale, allowing visitors to independently learn the important characteristics of the product, view comparison guides, find additional items, accessories, get special offers, and even make a purchase. Well, actually, use the possibilities of an online store without leaving an offline point of sale. But the creation of the described interactive case will require significant costs. Absolutely not necessary, my friends. Today, I will show you how you can create a beautiful and functional scenario for your touch monitor using the Look service in just a few minutes and without writing a single line of program code. So let's do this on our example of a hardware online store. For this purpose, we're going to use the layouts feature and simply just create a new one. In this area, we will broadcast a playlist with advertising content. In this layer, we place 3 clickable buttons and add the web pages with the specific positions from our online catalog to each one of them. Additionally, we set an idle timeout after which the scenario should return to the playlist broadcast. To simplify navigation, we're going to open the web page in the playlist area. Let's look at the results. Perfect, as I promised. A simple and powerful interactive case in just a few minutes. Impressive? If so, then try to design something that's yours within Look's 14 days free trial. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up, and see you soon.